Hey guys, do you want to shoot any 4K videos using a drone but you don't have money on that, and you're thinking like it's like $1,000, $2,000 money to purchase the drone and to shoot the best footage and also cinematic videos? Of course, this is maybe wrong, because I found the under the $500 drone which makes the very perfect footage of the videos, and is it 4K, and you will see the how it's perfect on I'm using on there. So today I'm going to show you that. I'm going to the downtown right now and shoot the 4K videos, and you will see how is it worth for the money or not, and you can purchase or you can try yourself. So today I will show you that how it works at night, and today we have also fireworks at the downtown, and you will see that if it's worth for the money or not, and you know you can purchase and you don't need to buy an $1,000-$2,000 drone. So let's go started on that.
When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
Alright guys, I just came to the downtown right now, so I'm going to shoot my drone 4K video in here. So we have a little bit sun is going down right now, so once the sun goes down I'm going to fly my drone and I will see the 4K videos. And if you see on the back end there is a lot of buildings, and we will do in all the buildings, and I'll try to fly a little higher. If it's not restriction, then it will go to the under low, so I just try to fly a little higher, or that's whatever is good, and we'll see on that.
When I look into her eyes, I see paradise. We feel that love, so deep in love. When I look into her eyes, I see paradise. So deep in love. When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
Alright guys, now you know how that drone is worth for the money or not, and you will tell me on the description below if you have a different drones, and you tell me that if it's worth for the money. So that's perfectly working for me, and it's a 4K and it's for more money, so I don't want to spend like $1,000-$2,000 for the drone, and I can use this under the 500 drone for everywhere, shoot my vlogs, and use that my travel, and you can do anything in there. So I think that's worth for the money. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it below the comment, and we're gonna give more tips for you, and you before purchase you can decide and what you want to do it. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe and smash the ring bell, and you will receive the notification regarding my next videos, and you are going to be the first person who's going to watch my videos. Alright, then I will see you on the next video.